Customers' needs don't stay the same: laser engraving, UF printing, even stickers. I need an equipment that can do more and work smarter.
I always have new ideas, but without the right tools, I never get the chance to test them, and that's frustrating.
For me, precision is everything. Even the smallest error is unacceptable.
Delivering perfect customizations item isn't easy. It requires constant testing and refinement. X1 showed me that laser and UV can work together on one machine, make it easy to operate. Now, with just X1, cutting, engraving, and UV printing come together in one seamless workflow, delivering finished custom products instantly. It saves me time and effort, keeps expensive mistakes from derailing my work, and boosts productivity. It's brought more attention to my custom service, something I never expected.
With X1, I'm free to explore my creativity fully. I blend all kinds of techniques, materials, and colors, crafting pieces my customers totally love. Besides bringing more creative ideas to life, it also enables UV-DTF stickers in printing on items directly, giving on crafts and fullest support possible.
X1 features continuous white ink circulation during operation to prevent sedimentation and clogging. It also performs automatic cleaning after work, giving you total peace of mind.
Every time I have to start trying to work through engineer structure simulation, I need to whip up models that are as detailed and precise as possible to test out my ideas. What I value most about the X1 is one-of-the-kind professional performance. With its precise control and versatility, it turns all my endless creative ideas into reality. The X1 professionalism validates mine. This all-in-one laser and UV system lets me add color directly to my models, and it's also gives me more accurate and impressive research results. The X1's precision and color are absolutely amazing. They meet all the professional standards I've been looking for.
Procolored continuously innovates and refines the products by listening closely to customers, aims at delivering user-friendly, reliable, and high-performance equipment that meets real-world production needs. Procolored X1, the perfect fusion of UV printing and laser engraving technology.